G'day everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to skip right to it with the bowl mounted up on the vacuum pump all ready to go. You can probably see the vacuum pump over my left shoulder just there. I've made a heap of other videos about my vacuum pump setup. I'll link them all in the description below. So this is the final stages of how I typically go about finishing all my large salad bowls. Bit of a tongue twister. But if you're interested in the main video about how I go about making some certain detail in this video, I'll link that in the end as well. Cheers, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think in the comments. So I've got a little blemish in our little detailed foot there, so I'm not real happy about that because that's all included in our depth, but I might just sort of roll it back like that. See how that looks? That looks a bit better because there was a bit of a like a mark, like you've got this detail here and there was a bit of a mark, like a depression. Includes detail gouge just here. I'm just going to form a little bit more of a step just there. Happy. Coming in. Just to finish it off there. Get our ruler, make sure we're sitting a little bit proud, just a tiny bit proud in that middle there. Just need to take care of that, can't have it rocking around on the table. Hopefully, before I move the tool rest away, I just want to double check. That looks really nice. It's nice and solid there. Let's sand that up now. Just drawing some lines for myself, so when I go to brand this beautiful bowl, I'll be able to get it smack bang right on center. Nice little step down there, little foot there, all in proportion to the piece. Nice bit of a dough bowl rim up the top. I call it a dough bowl rim, but yeah. But check that grain out running through in there. Just gorgeous. Just going to find the circle that represents the center for the branding iron. Cool. Alrighty. The tongue oil just gets rid of that little pencil mark there straight away. Working it all over there, just over the foot section pretty much. 400 wet and dry sandpaper here. Want to get it right into that little step just there, just in here, and then working it across here. 600. How are we looking? Oh, have a look at that. Have a look at that. That there, my friends, is a stunner bowl. How good's that? Just a stunning, large, family-sized bowl. I could picture this on a big country dining table, or just a large dining table there for plenty of people to enjoy. A big salad, big bowl of popcorn in front of a fire, and just sharing stories and just enjoying themselves. So thank you all so much for watching. In the description below there is a heap of videos that I keep updating as I keep making more, just as a bit of a guide to anyone that I mention things or I talk about things in the video. So go check that out, there's a lot there. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you and talk to you directly. Cheers. Bye. You beauty.